Here's something you probably have never seen before. 1937 Ford Woody Wagon. Man, like in butterscotch. Take a look inside the hood. I mean, so unique. Oh man, chromed up.
I won't charge you. Oh, okay, thanks.
That is just amazing. Oh, look at the top on this thing. You gotta look inside this dude. Oh man. Check out these bucket seats.
Okay, thank you.
Golly. Chrome hubcaps. Kind of spoked. Look at the back end of this dude. That's actual wood too. It's not metal painted to look like wood.
Yeah. He's trying to take a picture, huh?
Yeah, that dude is. It's hard to imagine even seeing that on the road. Never seen anything quite like it. Look at the front end of this dude.
Look how low.
That's just crazy, isn't it?
I think I'd vote for this one.
I know, man. It's so unique. I have definitely never seen anything like this before. Just amazing. 1937 Ford Woody Wagon. Whew.